Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the screen and choosing the capture type. Press Command-Shift-3 for a full screen shot, Command-Shift-4 to select an area, or Command-Shift-5 for on-screen controls. Once done, make sure the window you want is visible and active. Hide notifications and menus that might interfere. If you need a single window, press Command-Shift-4, then space to target it. This first step gets you into the capture flow quickly, so you can take a precise screenshot. Now refine the capture. If you used Command-Shift-4, click and drag to draw the rectangle. Hold Shift, Option, or Space to constrain or move the selection while dragging. For a window, press Space after Command-Shift-4, then click the window. A hover highlight shows what will be captured. Alternatively, open Command-Shift-5 to see a live preview, choose a timer, or change where files save. These controls help you get exactly the area and timing you need. Finish by locating and reviewing the image. Screenshots default to the desktop unless you change the save location in Command-Shift-5. Open with Preview to crop or annotate. If the file didn't save, check permissions for the save folder and ensure enough disk space. If keyboard shortcuts don't work, open the Screenshot app from Utilities or System Settings to run captures and make sure shortcuts are enabled. If still broken, reboot or reconnect your keyboard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.